The purpose of this video is to show teachers how to access the Individual Career and Academic Plan, also known as the ICAP, for their advisory or mentoring students. An ICAP is a student-driven, ongoing process that actively engages students, enabling them to understand their own interests, strengths, values, and learning styles, create a vision for their future, develop individual goals, prepare a personal plan of study for achieving those goals. The application that I'm about to show you how to access will allow students to plan for coursework in high school, set post-secondary plans, as well as house records of college and career readiness activities. In order to access the ICAP, you will need to log into PowerSchool, where you will see this ribbon of icons. There is an ICAP 4-year plan link that you will need to click on, and that will allow you to access the ICAP. Once you've clicked on that ICAP link, you'll be directed to log in with your Gmail. So you'll click on the LSR7 staff, choose your Gmail, and log into the platform. You may not see any students listed here because you need to know the last name of your advisory. So I'm going to start with B. Then you'll be listed in alphabetical order, or you can search for a certain student. Once you've located that student, you'll click on this icon here to open up their ICAP. From there, you'll be able to explore what this student has been enrolled in the current year or wants to enroll in years to come. So we'll be able to see current coursework, or if they are not, like in this example, not a sophomore yet, this student would be able to come in and add different courses. So it looks like this particular student has begun that process but hasn't completed it. But this is what this tool is allowing our students to do, is really plan for their future. So it does have an area for the plan itself, which shows graduation requirements towards high school diploma, and then their current progress, so where they want to go, where they currently are, any current year requested courses that maybe they didn't get into. They are able to add their career path and goals, post-secondary goals, and any student notes of items that maybe aren't listed. For example, if a student wanted to go to Summit Tech Academy or Herndon Career Center, Cass Career Center, or maybe even take an online course over the summer. So that is how you access the student's individual career and academic plan, and right now you should have access to your advisory or mentoring student.